Hi, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to cover the single most important step you should take when you get yourself a kick-ass new bike like this GSXR1000R that you intend to build as a track bike. You know what, if you've been to our YouTube channel or to our website, you have already discovered I am a motorcycle stand snob, 100%. Man, I've been looking forward to getting this bike since last year when I did the 1000cc shootout with Road Racing World. I rode this thing there at Miller, never been there. Went faster on it, was more comfortable on it than all the rest, and there were some great bikes. And all this anticipation has been building. I sold that R1. And he didn't have any stands, so you know what? I offered up the ones that I had, and I sent my set of pit bulls with him. So now, I'm gonna begin my relationship with my brand new GSXR1000R. The brand new pit bull stand, man. There's only two brands that I'll even allow my motorcycle to sit on at this point. It is, of course, pit bull and then Woodcraft, okay? So I'm gonna unwrap this and begin this new relationship the right way. That's almost as pretty as my bike. You can't use the stand if you don't have spools. We're gonna go with a set of Driven D-Axis rear spools. Of course, a little Loctite. Decided to go with red. Definitely want to make sure you use a little Loctite with the rear spools. I've seen too many times somebody coming off track and, yep, you're missing one, man. It was loose, vibrated out. You come in to throw it on your rear stand and guess what you got? You got a bike with one spool. That's a real bummer. God, these are pretty too, aren't they? Get them all torqued down, and then we're ready to dial in that brand new pit bull stand. Okay, got the spooled top supports flipped over, ready to get lined up here. Leave them both loose. Get these dialed in just right. You know, a new bike, that's almost like a new girlfriend. It's so important, you know, at first impression, at first date. You start off on a good foot. Open the car door for her. That kind of stuff. And that's really what this is. I'm hoping to have a long and loving relationship with this GSXR1000R, and I want it to treat me nice. I'm a firm believer in mojo and karma. And there's no better way to do that than resting her atop a brand new set of pit bull stands.